Profiling memory usage on App Engine. How can I profile memory (RAM) usage on my App Engine app? I'm trying to address errors related to exceeding the instance memory limit. I've tried these things and, so far, they don't work or don't provide what I need. App stats. This doesn't provide memory usage details. Uptrace. It hasn't been updated since 2012 and depends on a deprecated version of the SDK. Doesn't work out of the box. App Engine Profiler. Doesn't provide memory stats. Gamini Profiler, which uses C. Profile. Doesn't provide memory stats. Guppy. After downloading and installing the library's code in my apps folder, running guppy.py fails with import error column no module named heap. Resource. Not part of the SDK's version of Python, so I can't use it. Am I wrong about any of the above? The top-rated answer, not the accepted one, on this question says that there is no way to monitor memory usage on App Engine. That can't be true. Can it? Edit. I can confirm that Gamini Profiler does the job. After installation, I could change the settings in the UI to sampling with memory and then see this readout. Thanks to all the contributors.
Gamini Profiler does provide memory stats if you use the sampling profiler and set memory_sample_rate non-zero. At each snapshot it will tell you the memory that was in use. You will want to turn the sample frequency way down as the memory sample takes a few ms to execute. Edit. The way it gets the memory stats is from the GAY runtime API, which is deprecated, but still worked as of last I knew. I'm not sure if there's a good replacement.
To add to Ben's answer, as of 16th of November 2015, despite being deprecated, the Google App Engine Runtime API still works. There isn't an official replacement from Google yet. This will output memory usage statistics, where the numbers are expressed in MB. For example,
if you want to see more, please consider subscribing.